one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic.
You've kept going, but you know that there are still places in your heart that hurt when they're touched. You've learned how to carry on, how to keep moving, how to look fine on the outside, but inwardly you know that there are things that the Lord still needs to heal. The Lord is coming to you with his purifying love, not to expose that which is inside, but to heal, to restore, to make new. The Lord says, I'm leading you deeper, deeper beyond the surface, deeper than just outward appearance, deeper into the things which need to be healed, to be restored, to be made whole. I'm washing away the things which sting. I'm washing away the things which have been trying to hold you back as I bring my restoration and my love. Trust in me that I am the Lord who is with you, the Lord who is restoring you, the Lord who is healing you. Don't be afraid, but draw into my presence. For in my presence you will find peace. In my presence you will find fullness of life.
To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.